Dear parents, are you wondering how to help your child start writing? This video might help you. However, first of all, let me tell you that if you're thinking that your child is going to your preschool, or they have only started their classes from nursery or PP1 and they're not yet writing, don't really worry, because writing comes to each child on their own time. Each child writes on their own. Their pace of being able to write is different. So please don't worry if at all your child is a little delayed to start writing. Perfectly fine. Listening comes first, then speaking, then reading. A little bit of picture reading or a little bit of letter identification will come first, then they will start writing. So if you think that all other children of your child's age have already started writing but your child is not writing, don't at all worry. It will happen on its own. Absolutely fine. However, you can help them in certain ways. There are sensory trays available in the market. You can buy one, or else you don't have to buy one. Simply have a little plate or a small dinner plate available to you. Sprinkle a layer of salt so that a child can scribble through or move their finger across in the tray or on the plate. What will happen? The salt will touch the tip of the finger and it will help these sensory muscles to develop faster. Right? So let them, if at all this is a sensory tray or a plate or anything like that, let the child move fingers on the sensory tray like this. You can have salt. After some days, you take out salt from there, remove the salt and put some semolina. Let the child do the same activity with semolina. After some time, remove semolina, have some other item, maybe talcum powder. After that, have rice. Rice grains can be used. Then you can use lentils. Various types of lentils, one lentil at a time, and let the child move their finger, trace anything, write anything on that plate. This is called a sensory tray activity. These muscles will have more sensory experiences if the child move their fingers through the various materials with various roughness or coarseness. This can help your child understand, sense things better around them, and they may begin writing earlier. Other than that, there are materials like lentil sorting. Mix a little bit of small amount of each lentils together and ask the child to sort. The child will pick lentils using this grip. So these muscles will develop. These muscles will help a child grip things, smaller things better, and eventually from thicker crayon to thinner crayon to pencil will come to the child. And don't worry if at all your child is delayed in writing, that's absolutely fine. I'll come back with more ideas like this. Until then, I have a request. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you're an educator, you must have a lot of ideas on developing the sensory motors of a child. Please do comment here. I would love to learn from you as well. And it wouldn't take much time to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. I'll come back again. Thank you. Bye-bye.